Hello guys, in the previous lesson we have learnt about various syntaxes, meta characters and quantifiers. So in this lesson we are going to see how to implement those in our regexes. So this is our Eclipse and now we are going to write a regex for matching these texts. So there are few things that we need to notice. Here I have given a tab space. Here I have given ABC at the end and here ABC in the middle. So when I write ABC, then it will match all of them because we haven't mentioned where ABC needs to be. It can be anywhere. Now if I want to restrict that ABC needs to be at the end only, then I can place a dollar symbol and it will be at the end. Now all other matches are removed. Now if I want to restrict that it has to be in the beginning only, then I can do like this. Here ABC is in the beginning, so it is matched. Now if I want to make only ABC, it should not match anything, then I can make it as dollar at the end. So it means starting and ending with ABC. So for that I will add this. Now it is only matching this one. So these were the few syntaxes. Now as I told, I have given here tab space. So now let's see how to match a tab space. We will remove this and we will add ABC \t and then def. So now this is in one match. So this is the way we capture tab spaces. Now till now we are writing it, whatever we want to match we are writing itself. Now I don't want to write this and I want to generalize. I don't know what letters are here. I just want to match everything. So I will use /w. So you can see all the 24 letters are getting matched. Okay. Now I want to group all the letters together. So I can use plus. So we are having now 5 matches irrespective of the letters. We are having all the matches with one regex. Now in place of letters we are having numbers. Now this will also get matched because we are mentioning /w and /w contains all the letters, numbers and underscore also. Now in case we want to restrict the letters and only have numbers, we can do /d. It is only having the digits. Okay. Now our next meta character is /s. Now I will remove this. So as I mentioned, like /t can also be merged with /s. So in place of /s or /t, we can have only /s. It will cover /t also. So I will write ABC /s and def. So it is matching this. Now we can have in place of /n also as /s. Now see this. Now I want to match this def also in this match only. I can do again /s, which will be a star because of /n we need to put it as star and then def. So see this, in one match only both the lines are getting captured. Okay, I hope this was clear. Now we need to see how to remove the syntaxes. See guys, suppose I am having a star here, but as we know, if we write C star, it will not match this star. So in order to match this star, we need to use the skip character, which is a \. So when we give \, this star can be used as a letter also. Okay, as a symbol it can be used and it can be matched through regex. Okay, now let's go to some quantifiers. Now I am having this number 1, 2, 3, 4. I can write here /d star or a /d plus. Okay. Now even if I increase the number, it will be matching. There are various cases where you need to restrict the number of digits. For instance, in case of your mobile number, now we know that our mobile number is of 10 digits. So we can restrict it using curly braces and give a value as 10. Now if the value is 10, then only it will be matched. If I increase the value, it will not match the other one. Okay. But as we have not mentioned where this 10 digits needs to be placed, it is matching from the beginning. Now if I want to make it as only matching 10 digit number, then what I can do? I can do a starting with and ending with. Okay. Now as I will reduce it and will make it to 10 digit, it will match. So in this way we can restrict the numbers. Now suppose there is a case where there is a student ID, and now we know that it can be from 4 digit to any number of digits. Okay. Now we will remove this. Our restriction is it has to be 4 or more. Okay, so we'll give a comma, and now any number of digits I will add, it will match. But as I reduce it to 3, it will not match. Okay. Next is our range. We need to give 4 to 8 digits. Then if I reduce it to 3, it will not match. But if I keep on increasing it, it will start matching, and as it is increased from 8, it will not match. Okay. Again it got matched because it has came to 4 digit again. Now I want to restrict this match, then I can make it as dollar and a starting symbol. Now it is matching only the 8 characters. Okay. So these were the few ways in which we can implement this. Now there are a few other symbols also available which act as meta character. Now see this, I will remove everything and I will write a dot here. Now what does this dot means? We have already discussed that it will match one character of anything. It can be a 1A, 1 as a digit, 1 as a special symbol, anything. Okay. Now if we want to make this dot as one of the character, then how can we make it? Suppose I am having A, B, C, and here I am having A, B dot. Now what is happening? It is matching C, and even we remove C and we place dot here, it will match. Now I want to restrict that it has to be a dot only, then I can put a backslash. That we have already seen that it is a escape character. Now if we write here C, it will not match. Okay. There is one more meta character that is available, that is OR symbol, which is like this. Now I have BMW and Audi. Okay. Now if we write BMW, it will match. If I write Audi, it will match. But if I write anything else, A, B, C, it will not match. So it acts as a OR condition, either this or this. Okay. I hope you were able to grasp all the things, and you will practice a lot so that you can be perfect in this. That was all for this session, and I will see you in the next one.